While Magic Leap celebrates the first developer conference for its Magic Leap 1 mixed reality headsets, headsets have begun to be distributed in the contiguous United States, rather than a set of select markets. The Creator Edition of Magic Leap 1 costs $2,295, as before, but now there's a payment plan that starts at $96 per month. All orders must arrive within 60 days. Magic Leap 1 Creator Edition went on sale at the beginning of August, and although Magic Leap has promoted it as a fully functional device, it is basically intended for people who want to design applications, games or art for a mixed reality. We were ambivalent towards hardware, which we considered limited, and we noticed that Magic Leap had not shown a large amount of material that showed its potential. The speech of the company's developer conference has revealed several new projects. Magic Leap will soon begin shipping the prescription lens inserts for its headphones, which was announced at launch. And it will add support for dual controllers, supposedly in the first quarter of 2019.